Good afternoon all. This is Oscar Hotel 1 Echo. A little unboxing video again. I got some goods from BI7JTA. The MMDVM NanoHotspot seller from Facebook, if people know. Let's open up. Sorry about this table mess. This is my repeater. It is it is here, and MMDVM. Yes, it's a repeater for hybrid analog and DMR. It can do both, but one at a time. I just noticed I was recording a whole video and I unboxed everything with a pause button on. So I have already took the stuff away from the box, but we can now save some time unwrapping those. So I got two NanoHotSpots, a blue and a white one, and I got everyone knows what these are. These are most popular NanoHotSpots. Very nice color. And I got these two boards. What are they? They are a long-awaited Duplex hotspot. And to see here, you have the call sign BI7JTA. It's a legit one. It's a duplex hotspot. It's very nice to have. And it has two ADFs and very nice job. And I also got this board, what is a repeater board, and also you see here the call sign who I bought this from. And this is very nice board because my own board is there. Okay, I just realized it. My video went pause, and after that I recorded again, and I did have problems with the camera, and I need to restart again showing this stuff. I'm very sorry about it. So I tried to be quick now because I have done this already a couple times. I have unboxed everything already. I'm very sorry of it. And yeah, let's continue. We did have these two boards, the NanoHotspot, very nice quality. And I don't need this connector because I do have the repeater thing, the hybrid. Then I got this frame. This is for the screen. I got this next-in-on screen. Everyone knows who has been messing around with this, what this is all about. I have already opened this up, and watch it, this is not broken, it's intact. It's very nice to have this. And we have the case for the duplex hotspot. It's metal, aluminum. It's very nice to have for this one. And we have here also the screws for it, the fan, the antennas, 90 degrees antennas. Everything is supplied. Winters was kind enough to supply a fan for the case in case there is some heat problems. You should not need any fans, but it's a good always to have one. And we have here a repeater builder wire for the Motorola. it will fit in here. Actually, I don't need this because I do have this controller board, what is the heart of my DMR repeater. It switches between analog and DMR because it can do both. So it basically switches when it's their analog signal, you go there, or DMR signal, and then it goes there when it's idle. And then we have this bracket. It goes with this case. And these very nice quality USB cables, charging cables. This is actually the best ones what I have seen. The Chinese ones, they are very good quality ones, and they have gold plated connectors. These are very good ones. They are not like the normal Chinese stuff. They are very good ones. So that's basically it. Some stuff came. A lot of stuff came. These ones are for my friends. They kindly asked me to order from Winters these ones. And actually the white one is so nice. You can see actually the LED through it. I don't know about the blue one. I know you should not. Yeah, the blue one. The black one you don't see anything. You should not put power off like that. These have SD cards of 8 gigs. And they are class 1. They are fast. Class 10 I mean, but class U thing 1. It's enough for this. So there is it. A very nice quality. These are very nice quality, and they are legit because the call sign is there. And yeah, like I said, I have done this many times this video now, and I'm going to stop it early. One more thing about these Wi-Fi adapters, what Winters supply with this, the access point mode will not work with them in this Pi Star firmware. I have been working with, not working, but a bit cooperating with Pi Star developer, and today I talked with him, and he said he's going to upgrade the kernel, and after that they will support this access point mode. So it basically means when you plug in, you can log in here without any wires. And yes, if you need to use a USB dongle here same time as 3G, 4G LTE modem, you basically open this up and solder direct to GPIO pins, because you have 3 USB ports here inside of this. I know because I do have a Pi Star here. NanoPi here. It is in my repeater logic thing. GPIOs goes there, and this is my MMDVM. It's very big mess, this one, so this will replace that one. And yes, I will try to fit this on the NanoPi somehow. That's the plan. It will fit there somehow. It's not a problem. It is only about matter of time how to do it. And yes, this is my receiver and this is my transmitter. They are 12.5 kilohertz radios. Configure it as is. Yeah, there was all. I thanks very much many thanks for BI7JTA for the stuff, and I hope people liked this unboxing video. Even it was a big mess, and this table is a big mess, everything is a big mess. So this is Oscar Hotel 1 Echo, and I wish you all 7 trees, and bye bye.